What's up everybody? We were gone for a minute, now we're back again, and in this video we're checking out some new colors from Columbia Coatings. Let's get into it. So this is Strawberry Fields. It's not a very sunny day, but here is the flake on it. It's kind of a rainbow holographic flake. This is the new Strawberry Fields from Columbia Coatings. Here we have Interstellar, a very vibrant blue, extremely vibrant with lots of flake. This flake is very holographic. It's just we don't have the sun right now. Make sure you check out Interstellar at Columbia Coatings. One of our new favorites is Voodoo Child. This color is absolutely amazing, both big and small flake, and it is a holographic type flake. You can go ahead and get Voodoo Child at Columbia Coatings. Make sure you check it out. Treasure Island, if you are looking for a gold with lots of flake, this transparent gold color looks absolutely amazing. Again, with holographic flake. Check it out and show your next customers. It's at Columbia Coatings.